Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade this HP All-in-One 200 from Windows 7 to Windows 10 for free. Okay, to upgrade this All-in-One to Windows 10 you need to have Windows 7 installed and activated. Let me just zoom a little bit on the display itself so you can see a little bit better. Okay, this is installed and obviously activated. You may close this, open a browser, in this case Google Chrome, and search for Media Creation Tool. Click on the first link from Microsoft. It will take you to the Media Creation Tool download link. Download now. Did I not click on it? Probably I didn't click on it. It is downloading it. Okay, show in folder. I like to move this to desktop. You can actually skip this step. But yeah, that's what I like to do. Okay, it's on desktop now. Run it. Yes. Okay, it's getting ready. If you are wondering why this display is so dirty, this just got fixed. I changed the motherboard in this particular computer, and if you want to check out that video, I will link it in the description. It was pretty interesting. Let's say only that. Okay, accept. You obviously need to have an internet connection to do this. Okay, and now you can choose to upgrade this PC, which will actually do, or create a media installation USB DVD ISO file to upgrade another PC. So you can even upgrade a PC that is not connected to the internet. But in our case we are upgrading this one, so it needs to be connected to internet. So let's click next. And it will start to download, and we can close everything else because this will take a lot of time. And I'll be back to you when something interesting happens. Okay, let's accept the license. And it's checking for updates now. Okay, it is telling me it will install Windows 10 Home because I have Windows 7 Home Premium on this thing, and it will keep my personal files, which is okay. You can change this option if you do not want to keep your files, but yeah, it's good to keep them in this case. Okay, and we will simply click on install now and wait. And Windows 10 finished installing. Just some quick settings. And it should do its thing and start up fairly soon. Not now. It's teasing you just a little bit, but it still has stuff to do. Okay, and we have a perfectly running Windows 10 install. Let's see if it's activated. Yes, it is, which is perfect. I wonder about the drivers. All of them installed from the start, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Wi-Fi working. I wonder where I can find One moment, I'll get back to you. I'm searching for a particular thing, but I have no idea where I can find it. I can find it actually. Okay, the TV tuner, I think here it is. Yep, okay. So everything got installed perfectly by Windows 10 itself. I need to scale things up a little bit, so I'll be back in a moment. Text is a little bit too small, I think. Okay, so this is it, guys. Windows 10 is running perfectly onto this thing. It's getting activated. There is absolutely no reason for you not to get Windows 10. And yeah, if you want to see this thing cleaned up, repaired, looking well, whatever, check out my other videos, and you can find it there, maybe in the description of this one also. And yeah, that's about it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe, it really helps my channel a lot. Ask whatever you need in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye!